birthday!
Being 60 is not becoming old. It is about becoming seasoned. It is about enjoying the gift of time, the wisdom of experiences, and the freedom to laugh at life's little imperfections. If God grants me more years, I want to spend them not only with my family, but also by touching the lives of others. Thank you so much for the love. From the bottom of my heart, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. God bless us all. Mabuhay po tayo.